Why most agents fail after only 2 years in the business. If you're a real estate agent, you probably understand the dreaded burnout. So why do most real estate agents fail after only 2 years in the business? And how they can not only persevere, but excel. Find out in today's video. Hi everyone, I'm Kim with Mika Realty Group, here with the Productive Agent Forum. And today we're talking about how to avoid falling in the 75 to 90% of agents that don't see it past their second year. The first reason agents fail is because they go into real estate with no budgeting or marketing plan. The second reason most agents fail is because even if they do have a plan, their marketing strategy doesn't fit their personality. What I mean by this is if you're a shy person by nature, you need to figure out a plan that works for your personality. Cold calling and networking might be difficult tasks for you, while breaking out of your comfort zone is necessary. Doing this day in and day out is a recipe for burnout. Find a plan that fits for you. If you are shy, find a way to automate or hire an assistant to take calls. If you're an active person, network at gyms and health clubs. It needs to fit your lifestyle. The third mistake most agents make is choosing the wrong brokerage or team. A great team and brokerage can be priceless assets and a source of not only motivation, but also knowledge. Joining the wrong team can leave you feeling alone, or worse, focusing only on quotas. The fourth reason agents fail is because their second year is poor time management. If you're constantly overbooking yourself or forgetting your calls or calling clients, you need to time block and schedule your life. This is a key part of success in a busy industry like real estate. And lastly, so many agents believe real estate to be easy money or expected referrals to come on their own. Well, it's not as easy as putting up a website or getting cards mailed. Real estate is a people business, and unless you're willing to put in the work, you're not going to make it. Hopefully this helps you understand why most agents fail and what you can do to be one that excels in this incredible business. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, and we'll see you in the next episode of the Productive Agent Forum.